As the Trump administration ramps up military action in the Caribbean, Congress is focusing its attention on health care here at home. NBC's Yamiche Alcindor reports from Washington.
The Trump administration escalating tensions with Venezuela, seizing an oil tanker off the coast of the South American nation.
The United States currently has a full investigative team on the ground on the vessel, and the United States does intend to seize the oil. However, there is a legal process for the seizure of that oil, and that legal process will be followed.
Administration officials say the tanker was carrying sanctioned oil from Venezuela and Iran.
It was a successful operation directed by the president to ensure that we're pushing back on a regime that is systematically covering and flooding our country with deadly drugs.
Video posted by Attorney General Pam Bondi shows members of the Coast Guard rappelling onto the tanker to carry out a seizure warrant. Venezuela's foreign minister calling the operation blatant theft and an act of international piracy. It's the latest move against the authoritarian leader of Venezuela, Nicolas Maduro. And adding insult to injury, this year's Nobel Peace Prize winner, Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado, says the U.S. helped her get out of the country to collect her award in Oslo.
I am very hopeful Venezuela will be free.
Meanwhile, over on Capitol Hill, lawmakers wrestling with the rising cost of health care. Today, the Senate took up two dueling plans from Republicans and Democrats, but both failed.
The suffering of people is going to be enormous and heart-wrenching.
Healthcare is in a crisis. It's in a crisis. It should not cost this much.
The Republican plan would have created health savings accounts valued at $1,000 to $1,500, which low-income families could use. But Democrats and some healthcare experts say that's not nearly enough to cover costs. The Democratic plan would have extended ACA subsidies for 3 years, but Republicans say that's just giving money to insurance companies. With no clear plan in the works, the ACA subsidies are set to expire on December 31st, so the new year could bring a new set of expenses for millions of Americans. Yamiche Alcindor, NBC News, the White House.